Maybe I'll sell this for the rest of it. I don't know. Maybe I'll give it a most of this.
Yeah, we got another black guy.
Oh, absolutely.
This is the full black guy.
I'm having a blast with this one.
Well, if that's C3, okay, so it's got.
Whoever's just lawnmower, that's
You know what? Yeah, it's like he's on vacation. Well, he was in.
I was a helicopter mechanic.
She had 47 helicopter mechanics. So he was on vacation.
And then
Oh, they were supposed to take that down. I go, well, they didn't. So I got to
just got to do something like that with this.
What you call it? The fitting for the